So there is only a month left to your NEET examination, and what if I tell you there are few of the things given in your syllabus which is in your syllabus, but if I'll ask you, most of you won't be knowing the answer. So let's play a game. I'll ask you few of the questions and you have to answer. So obviously all of you are going to give NEET examination, and you know that our heart pumps blood, okay? So the blood that is flowing in the aorta, what is the stress strain curve of that particular blood that is flowing in aorta? Do you have the answer or do you have the graph? If yes, then very good. If no, then let me show you the answer. Or let me ask you another question. Do you know any organic polymers that are used for making semiconductors? If you know the answer, then well and good. If you don't, the answer is given in your NCERT. Or do you know how does a load bearing bar looks like? What is its shape? Or do you know the principle of a burglar alarm? What it is based on? If you know, then well and good. But if you don't, here it is, and this is also given in your NCERT only. So I just wanted to show you what if ये questions आपके एग्जाम में आ जाते हैं and you feel कि ये कौन ही पूछेगा, this is not important, but what if ये questions एग्जाम में आ जाए, because this is not something that is not in your syllabus, this is in your syllabus, and because लास्ट का टाइम है, there are only 30 days left, I won't be suggesting you कि आप फिजिक्स की NCERT उठाओ और आप पढ़ो एक एक लाइन एक एक पेज को बैठ करके, because of two reasons. First of all, you don't have that much time. Second thing is, आप पढ़ने बैठ भी जाओगे तो भी आपको समझ में चीज़ें नहीं आएंगी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आपको नहीं आएंगी, मोस्ट ऑफ यू, ज़्यादातर लोगों को ये चीज़ समझ में नहीं आएंगी, because I have been through that thing. If you can understand it by yourself, then trust me, you should have read it already before. Also, as you know, people say NEET 2022 के अंदर biology was a bit tricky, 2023 के अंदर chemistry was a bit tricky. So NEET 2024 के अंदर they are expecting कि physics का पेपर थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी साइड जा सकता है, बट दिस इज जस्ट अ हाइपोथेसिस, जस्ट अजम्पशन कि ऐसा हो सकता है, सो बेटर बी प्रिपेयर्ड. सेकेंडली, अब जो क्राइटेरिया है, इट हैज शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम बायोलॉजी टू फिजिक्स. अर्लियर बायोलॉजी में डिसाइड करते थे किसकी रैंक कितनी अच्छी आएगी. नाउ इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग सेम स्कोर इन नीट, देन व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल लुक एट द फिजिक्स स्कोर, किसके फिजिक्स में मार्क्स ज़्यादा हैं, सो दैट दे विल प्रेफर दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. अब यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि कैसे कवर करना है, कैसे हो पाएगा, नहीं हो पाएगा. वेल, आई हैव अ सिंपल सॉल्यूशन टू दैट. मी, दैट इज काशिफ रजा, I am a second year MBBS student at AIIMS Patna. I will be teaching you physics from NCERT, and that too of those chapters first जो कि ज़्यादा important है. For example, I'll be teaching you each and everything that is in NCERT. I'll be teaching you those hidden lines जो कि लोग नहीं कवर करवा पाते हैं या फिर जो लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं. And trust me, अगर एक बार वो क्वेश्चन आ गया, सब लोग फिर दौड़ के उस चीज़ को पढ़ाने लग जाएंगे, and people will think कि वो ज़्यादा important है या वो आता है तो अब वही चीज़ आएगी. ऐसा नहीं है. पूरी NCERT is your syllabus. I'll make sure कि I'll help you cover each and everything, and at least उतना कवर करवा दूँ जो बहुत ज़्यादा important है. I can claim that this has not been done on YouTube till now, and it won't be like other long lectures of 1 hour or 2 hour. It will be short bite-sized videos जिसके अंदर you will be getting to know each and everything that is important and that you must know before you go into your NEET examination. This is the overall thing. So for you to know how I'll be teaching physics and when I'll be uploading lectures, you just have to do one single job. Yes, you are right. Go down and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a lecture you get notified कि हाँ ये lecture आ चुका है, इस chapter का आ चुका है. You don't have that much time कि आप बार बार YouTube पे जाओ जा करके देखो वीडियो आया या नहीं आया, आया या नहीं आया. So it's better you turn on the bell notification icon after subscribing the channel and you'll get each and every update on your phone. And if you ask me about this series, you will say कि यार इतने सारे लोग तो पढ़ा रहे हैं, आप में ऐसी क्या अलग चीज़ है जो हम आपसे पढ़ें. Then let me know you one thing. I was one of those students जिसने NEET 2021 के अंदर I scored around 100 marks, 107 marks in my NEET exam, and in just few months I'm the same person who has scored 175 marks out of 180 in NEET 2022 examination. So I feel I am someone who is eligible enough to teach you physics and to make you know things which are given in NCERT और वो छूट जाती हैं. Trust me, if you will follow this, then definitely you will get an extra edge over other competitors. ये जो 25 लाख का ये लगा के रखा है इन लोगों ने, उस 25 लाख में से भी only 50,000 to 1 lakh people are there only जो कि NCERT पढ़ते हैं, और उसमें से भी कुछ एक ऐसा सेक्शन है जो सिर्फ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें NCERT की पढ़ता है जो आप लोग होगे. So the first video that we would be dropping is of semiconductors that will be uploading tomorrow. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't miss any notification. अब देखते हैं फिजिक्स में मार्क्स कैसे नहीं बढ़ते हैं. Let's go guys, bye.